Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can transfer or send money from Wise to Revolut. So it is pretty simple and easy to do. Just open up your app, go to the payments right here, as you can see, then click on payments and send. Here you'll need to select your currency, so select the right currency like euro or Chinese yuan. After that you'll need to add recipient, find on Wise by search tag, email or mobile number, or bank details. So select one of those, and then you will need to select who's your recipient, so select someone else. Then you will need to enter their account details. As you can see, if you don't have a local bank account, you will need to click on that one and select IBAN or SWIFT code. So select one of those and then enter details like email, full name, sort code or SWIFT code, account number, and etc. After that, you'll be able to put amount that you need to send, and that's pretty much it.